My God, where's John? I mean, he's late. Oh, I don't have a watch. Darn it. Oh, finally, there you are.
Look, man, I'm sorry, all right? I got caught up. It was a rough day, all right? And honestly, I'm just not sure I'm in the mood to make a video right now. What the hell is your problem?
Dude, we're making scones today.
We're making scones? Stop. We're making scones?
Yeah, all right. Of course you're in the mood to make a video.
We're making scones.
This guy, like,
Dude,
yeah. And not only are we
scones?
making scones, we're making Blackberry Scones.
Shut up! Shut your mouth. We're making Blackberry scones?
Yeah.
Dude, there's no better type of scone.
Yeah, you think so?
Dude, Blackberry scones are where it's at.
I mean, personally, I've actually never had scones before.
Me neither. I've never had a scone either, but I'm sure it's where it's at. It's what I hear.
I mean, come on, guys. Everyone eats scones now, right?
Guys, welcome to 2 Leaks. Jon and Jon. We're making scones. You're coming along. We're going to try them. We're going to make them. They're going to be epic. Let's do it.
Yeah. Let's go make scones.
Really excited for this one. So here's all the ingredients. We're going to use flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, unsalted butter, buttermilk, eggs, vanilla extract, and then of course the blackberries.
Okay, so now that we gave you your list of ingredients, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now once we've preheated the oven, we're gonna get a medium-sized mixing bowl and we're gonna add all of our dry ingredients. So that's our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, baking soda, and our salt. Once all that's done, we're gonna use a pastry cutter, or in our case, simply a knife, and we're gonna cut the butter until it's about the size of peas or smaller. Once that's done, we're gonna take all of that butter and add it to our medium-sized bowl with all the dry ingredients.
Now using a mixing cup, whisk together the buttermilk, 1 egg, and the vanilla extract. Now remove the bowl from the freezer and slowly add to the mixture. Now we are going to gently fold in the blackberries, being careful not to over smash them.
Once all that's done, we're gonna flatten the dough onto the baking pan. We just did this by forming the individual scones. You can either do it that way or by actually making a sheet of dough and then cutting out your scones. We just found it easier to actually form the individual scones themselves, and we're gonna do that on parchment paper today. If you don't have parchment paper, you can probably spray down your pan and be just fine, but that is gonna be ideal. Once that's done, we're gonna place all of that in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes to really firm up that dough. You really want that firm dough.
After that time passes, remove them from the freezer and glaze the top with a beat egg before placing it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. When done, let them rest momentarily and enjoy.
All right, guys, so that does it for the stone. All right, guys, so that does it for the scone recipe. I thought it went pretty well. What were your thoughts?
Yeah, thank God. You know what I mean? It was super simple, fortunately for us.
It really was. We've had one heck of a recording day here. Trust me. But we're going to just go ahead and taste these scones. I'm so excited. Let's just go ahead and do that really quickly. I'm going for the top one here.
All right, I'll go for the bottom one.
All right.
Oh,
Nope.
losing berries.
Messing up the plate.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Look at that.
All right.
This is insanely delicious.
More.
Insanely delicious.
The dough is so light and fluffy. It falls apart in your mouth.
Very flavorful. You know, perfect amount of salt and sweetness.
Really, it really is. Oh, but those blackberries are just so... It's not even like... They're not even in season right now. But these are just so sweet. Oh my gosh. I could sit around and eat these all day.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
This is our first time eating these.
It really is.
Ever.
My first scone. Your first scone. I've definitely become quite the scone person myself, if I do say so. But I'm going to tell you what. I think I'm going to go spend the rest of my day eating these scones. How about you?
Oh, I think I'm going to be spending the rest of the day eating those scones.
No, I'm going to eat the scones.
I don't think
This is
so.
not what we discussed. Jesus, you bet. What's up, guys? Look, I really hope that you're enjoying this dish today. I know John and I are super enjoying making it, but here's the deal. We gotta take a second, have a little word from our sponsor section here today, and that is the Huckle and Goose Cookbook. Now, we're not really sponsored by this cookbook, but like, I wish we were, because this is an awesome cookbook, and we cannot be more excited to bring it to you guys for the next couple episodes here on the Two Leaks channel. Now, this cookbook has everything in it that you could possibly need to make awesome dishes. And then what's also great about this cookbook is it varies in levels of difficulty, right? So whether you're just a couple amateur Joes like us trying to cook some food, it's got you covered, or if you're professional like Gordon Ramsay, if you're watching this video, this is a good cookbook for you. Go check it out, right? It's got something for everybody, and actually, Ramsay, it's got lamb sauce in here, I'm pretty sure, so you should be really set on that front there. But no matter what level of cook you are, there's something in this cookbook for you to either grow your skill or just continue to be awesome if you're already incredible. So, with that being said, the link is down below. I know John stepped on it last time. I'm not gonna do that this time, but it is down there. I'm watching my feet. It's right between them. It's there, okay? Go click on that link. It's gonna take you to this book. You can pick it up. It's like literally no effort on your part whatsoever, and you get to make some awesome food. So, like, why wouldn't you do it? But if you do, I appreciate it. I know John appreciates you supporting the channel. Go pick this up. It's an awesome cookbook. We wouldn't be bringing it to you otherwise. We love it. Go click it. You'll love it too. Thanks, guys.